Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to step on today's video? I'm going to show you how to do fast ads on Yubo. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Yubo app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you download the app, launch it and sign in. Then all you have to do is look for Friends option, which is right beside Swipe option. Now, under Friends options, there are two options like Requests and Discover. Under Requests, on the top, you can see there is Fast Ads up to 500 people at once option. Tap on it. Then you can select number of persons you want to add, like 100, 200 or 500. If you select 500, then you have to send 1390 U box. Tap on Send. Now all you have to do is tap on Continue and follow the prompts. Then you'll be a premium user on Yubo app. And guys, that's it. That's how you fast ad on Yubo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.